Start with kneeling on the floor with your knees directly under your hips. At the same time, your hands rest on your knees. Bring your knees to each other while your feet widen automatically. Press the tops of your feet on the floor. While you're sitting on the mat, gently lower your hips and move the calves away. The hips should lie between your heels. Make sure you don't feel any sensation in your knees when you get into the pose. The toes should point outwards and the inner ankles must be drawn to protect your knees. Pull your navel inwards and extend your tailbone from the crown of your head to the floor. Remain in the pose for 20 to 30 seconds and then gently release, coming back to sit on